Beep, 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 beep. Beep. You're usually first in line. Right? Yeah, good? Yeah, good? No. These for a while. I'm going to be using this one. Looks pretty good. Yeah, I have definitely kept these in this area. Radishes do not take very long to grow. I think it's like 23 days. It's a very short period, but I kept them in the ground. I'm sure some of them are deformed or exploding or whatever. Yeah, it's from the pigs. I need to pull them out and start cleaning out this area with all the weeds and everything else. And then I had a shipment of dirt come in, so I'm gonna fill this with some really good dirt because this whole area, the dirt here is like this. It's just very hard. And I have tried I've added a lot of leaf litter into this area. And chicken manure, but it needs extra help, so I'm going to do that this year. But first, I'm going to clean this area out. So that is what we're going to do. Now that I have some rabbits, this will be good for them too. Yeah, see, some of these grew well. Some did not. That's to be expected.
Ooh, that's a nice one. Together as far as seeds did not do well. I watched MIT Gardener and he put his beets at like 3. I don't know, like these are not doing that bad. It's a little deformed. So I kind of tried that with my radishes. They're both root vegetables, so I figured maybe they'd do the same thing, but it seems like
Hey everybody, it's Kate from Sunnyside, and you are getting me fresh out of bed. Rolled over, put on some chore clothes, came out here, and I had my big chore day where, you know, I clean out all the waters and spray them off, and took the tarp off my duck shack. You know, you fluff the hay every day, and just that kind of stuff. Refilled the pig water, fixed their hut, gave them some belly rubs, and cleaned out my garden a little bit. And now I'm gonna give the rabbits greens, some radishes, and some carrot tops. She's very friendly, isn't she? He's busy eating. The chickens are like, what about us? Don't worry, I have more. Well, look at those chickens. Well, let's put in the work, really. If we can get this area dug up like we're planning on doing, the quicker we can do that, the faster they can be out there.